Centre seeks time till next Tuesday before Bombay High Court in the PIL for door-to-door policy for elderly and disabled. Centre says by July end there will be more vaccines available. Covaxin will be producing 5.5 crore doses per month. Right now, the production is only 90 lakh. Even Covishield will become over 2 crores per month. Now, this is an estimate that is being given by the respective companies in terms of a projection of how they will ramp up their supply of vaccines. Disha Shah joining us with more. So Disha, the numbers look very good if this is how it is going to be, because that will of course address to a huge extent the current crunch that we are facing in vaccines.
Well, certainly. Remember, Afrida, just to give a background to our viewers about what we are really talking, remember Bombay High Court had very specifically asked the centre and the local municipal body here, the BMC, saying that why they do not have a policy for door-to-door vaccination when it comes to seniorly elderly people who are about 60 and 70 years of age and who cannot really walk up to the vaccination centers. At that point in time, the centre did say that they do not have any policy regarding the door-to-door vaccination yet, and the Bombay High Court had asked them to actually consider having one such policy. So today, of course, this particular hearing comes in line with what the Bombay High Court had said in the last hearing, and now, of course, the centre has said they want some more time till Tuesday before the Bombay High Court in the PIL for the door-to-door policy for elderly and disabled. In fact, the centre says that by July end, there will be more vaccines available. They have also put down some figures to the Bombay High Court, Afrida, clearly saying that the Covaxin will be 5.5 crore per month by July end. Right now, the availability is over 90 lakh. And even Covishield will become over 2 crores. So these are the sort of vaccine availability figures that the centre has stated. And they have also said that for door-to-door vaccination policy, it is only possible if there are more vaccines available. And right now, of course, the situation is that still they are reeling under a lot of shortage.
Yes, which is why the government has already come out and said that from June onwards, the total supply will be 12 crore, which of course also takes into account and factors in Sputnik V. So Covaxin, Covishield and the Sputnik V, some first dispatch is already here in India. The government is very confident that we will be able to ramp up supply of vaccines. Stay with us.